ka anu prerona harangkat ka jinga trilang bat ka RITI Academy bat ka Media Plus. Haka ar paulai tarik uya yang ar hajar ar pauar. Kala penoy ka jing sam khusnam ka bala ai nam haiba Rana Kharkongor bam kuai hadwar ublei. Kaba kerteng ka Rana Kharkongor Memorial Award. Iaka ni ka khusnam la sam shaka kalpana kalati kabana Tezpur. Halor ki kamshna bat penmi film. Neka film and theatre writing and acting. Bat la sam ru ka khusnam haka thokatar ka Excellence Award on Literature and Social Service. Shaki prangot bat ika khusnam Excellence Award on Arts and Culture. La sam shaka kong Wanri da Pyngrope bat uba Thomas Milim Umlong na Shillong. Bat kini ki prangot kidei na Assam. Hagani kasngi la sam ki khusnam de ikong Silvi pasa ibalong ikong san hagani kasngi bala yo ru ya ka jingrwai na ki armut ki khon jingi ba Rana Kharkongor bam kwai hadwar ubleng habakran hagani ka jingalang pun kuburom ikong Silvi pasa ilaong
Rana Kharkongor was a Khasi Indian singer, songwriter and video director. He was well known for his where he released Tiupulab and was a part of the album Singing Sia. Rana Kharkongor started singing in the 1970s and throughout his career received grade A by All India Radio and was on National DD Metro Pop Time program, produced 27 albums, which were mostly recorded in Calcutta, and has 29 albums to his credit. Rana Kharkongor was a victim in every walk he learned to me and my friend also. So, Rana Kharkongor, when I went in a training in Calcutta, I met him and he told me, now we will record a song along with Usha Utho. But I didn't remember the date. I'm so happy. So when he came back, he told me he will try to compose another song, Khasi song, and we will try to compose a song with the song rhythm in a mastic.